Hello and welcome back to the 3 Minutes of English series. The title for this video is Regular and Irregular Nouns with DouglasESL. English nouns can be regular or irregular. Regular nouns create their plural form by adding s, es, ies, or ves. Irregular nouns create their plural form by changing into a new word. Examples of regular nouns by adding an s for their plural form. 1 car, 2 cars. 1 dog, 2 dogs. 1 book, 2 books. 1 house, 2 houses. 1 apple, 2 apples. Examples of words that end with s, ch, sh, x, or z. We're going to add an es to get the plural form. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 match, 2 matches. 1 dish, 2 dishes. 1 box, 2 boxes. 1 quiz, 2 quizzes. Nouns that end with f or fe, we're going to add ves to get their plural form. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. 1 wolf, 2 wolves. 1 life, 2 lives. 1 knife, 2 knives. Irregular nouns are formed into new words. The first example is 1 man, 2 men. 1 child, 2 children. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 person, 2 people. Some irregular nouns do not have any change. They stay the exact same word, but you use them in singular or plural form. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. 1 deer, 2 deer. 1 fish, 2 fish. 1 species, 2 species. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.